This is part 2 of a 5-part series on how long-term relationships with bullshitters can actually cause brain damage. We've already seen how dealing with sustained bullshit makes it hard to create a cohesive narrative, and the lack of a cohesive narrative causes sustained emotional distress. This video is about how sustained stress and anxiety levels actually lead to changes in the brain itself. Dr. Daniel Siegel, a renowned psychiatrist and an expert in interpersonal neurobiology, has extensively studied how our experiences, especially stressful ones, shape our brain. His work offers crucial insights into the long-term effects of stress and anxiety on our neural pathways. So how stress rewires the brain. Number 1, amygdala reactivity. The amygdala, our brain's alarm system, becomes more reactive with prolonged stress. This heightened state can lead to increased emotional responses, contributing to a constant sense of anxiety. Number 2, the hippocampus and memory. Chronic stress affects the hippocampus, crucial for memory and stress regulation. So over time, this can lead to memory problems and difficulties in managing stress effectively. Number 3, prefrontal cortex impairment. The PFC, responsible for decision-making and self-control, can also suffer. You can find it harder to make decisions or control impulsive reactions. The stress emotion cycle. Sustained stress and anxiety create a cycle. Heightened amygdala activity increases emotional responses, which in turn puts more pressure on the prefrontal cortex, leading to impaired cognitive functions. So far, we've seen that dealing with a bullshitter leads to sustained confusion, which then leads to distress. In this video, we now see how distress causes changes in the brain. This means that psychological and emotional abuse actually change your brain. In the next video, we are going to show how these brain changes can lead to difficulties with executive function. Make sure to subscribe for research-backed tips and tricks for maintaining your psychological freedom.